They never showed me how to even open my arms. I've been dreaming that I'm flying. I've seen the city through the clouds, it's oh so small. Every now and then I'm falling. Say something, say something. Blood rushing to ease the pain. Say something, don't leave me hanging. Say something, don't leave again. Say something, say something. Blood rushing to ease the pain. Say something, don't leave me hanging. Say something, don't leave again. I know that we will be just fine, because it's time. Every now and then I'm crying. I'm holding all the pieces, just for now there's room for all. The smile is found inside the fist I'm hiding. Say something, say something. Blood rushing to ease the pain. Say something, don't leave me hanging. Say something, don't leave again. Say something, say something. Blood rushing to ease the pain. Say something, don't leave me hanging. Say something, don't leave again.
Hey guys, today's video is going to be my self-care routine. So I'm going to show you how I do it from start to finish. So it is something past 12, I think, and before I'm going to go in the bath in a bit, but before I do that, I'm going to tidy up the flat a bit. So I'm going to do the washing up, hoovering if there's need anything. To be fair, I don't know what actually needs doing at the minute until I go and have a look. I think there's just like stuff that needs to be put away and stuff like that. So I'm going to go in there and have a look, and then I'll get back to you, because I don't actually have a clue what needs to be done myself. So yeah, see ya guys, see you in a bit. So hi guys, I have done the living room and the kitchen. The only things that need to be done now is the bedroom, my bedroom. It just needs like hoovering and stuff like that. There's not really much I can do with this room until I've got obviously a new bed, chest of drawers and that lot. Oh, I just missed my mouth. Also, I need to do some washing. So when I come out the bath, I'll do that as well. Because I'm going to go in the bath, exfoliate and all that lot, wash my hair. I need to epilate as well, so I'm going to try and find that. So yeah, guys, I'm going to quickly tidy up this room. And then I'm going to rush to the bath. Obviously, I'm going to exfoliate, wash and everything. Then I'm going to come out the bath, wash my hair. Then I'm going to get changed into some more pyjamas because I'm going to do the washing as soon as I'm done. And then when I've dried, I'm going to put body moisturiser all over me because obviously it's winter now, so my skin is going to get even drier. So yeah, guys, I'm going to go and do that, and then I'll get back to you before I go in the bath because I'm just going to quickly rush around my room first and then go in the bath. So bye, guys. Guys, I am back. Basically, I've literally got everything that's down this side of my bed where I literally sleep. Got everything on my bed from there. Obviously, I'm just going to run around, put everything on my bed that needs putting away, so that when I come out the bath, all I got to do is put it away. And then that's it, really. But then I'm going to have a talk to you about this room because I don't know what to do with this room, because my idea was I was going to have a gas lift bed, put my clothes underneath there, and then have 2 bedside tables and have my bed on that wall maybe, but I'm not sure yet. So once I've had a bath and I've sorted everything, I will then have a little talk to you about that. Also, at the start of this video, you will see 2 videos of the bonfires because I'm filming this on Sunday and Saturday was the 5th of November, which was bonfire night. They say it's bonfire weekend, but I don't see why because it's only one night. So yeah, so it's the 5th of November yesterday, which was Saturday, and I'm filming this on Sunday. So yeah, so I filmed like a minute or so of 2 clips of the fireworks from my balcony. It was nice, but it was proper foggy. Like, it's unreal. So yeah, guys. To be fair, the only thing that needs doing in this bedroom after I put everything on top of the bed is hoovering, because obviously. But I'm gonna put everything that needs to put away on my bed. Then I'm gonna go bath, or should I just hoover first? Then I don't know. We'll decide. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get on with that, and then I'll be back. So I am out the shower. I am bathed. I've washed my hair. I've moisturised my body, my complete body from toe to head. I've even put my face cream on, which is this one. This is what I've used, face cream. It's the Nivea. No. Oh, shoot, just dropped it. My bad. So this is what I've used. It's the what is it? Pink grapefruit fragrance. Smells amazing. I've got the face wash and the face scrub to this as well, and that's what I've used in the bath. I've used the face wash, the face scrub, and then I'll put this on. So yeah, and then for my full body moisturizer, it's the Body Shop. This one. This is the almond milk and honey. This is the body butter. So yeah, I've put this fully all over. In the winter, I use a body butter, but in the summer, I use a body lotion, because obviously in the winter, it's more colder, like your skin gets more colder and more damaged. So I use a body butter in the winter because you can get right in there and help moisturise it. So this is what I use in the winter, and then I use a lotion in the summer. To be honest, I use this every year. I think I might need to look for a winter one, just to give myself that extra coverage. And I've lost 2 nails as well. I lost this one last night, and then I lost this one in the bath. I kind of leant on it and pinged off, my bad. But anyway, so yeah, so this one's actually nearly all gone, but then I've got some more. Oh, dropped it. I've got some more left to use. So now I'm just gonna chill for 5. Watch some Criminal Minds and then some stuff on my phone, and then do something to eat because I'm getting quite hungry, to be fair. So, but then I'm gonna have to decide what I want to eat, which is another one. Plus, I need to finish off the last bit on my bedroom. To be fair, the only thing I need to do is just really put the Hoover away, and then just like put everything that's on my bed away. So yeah, that'll be fine. That'll be nearly done. Plus, I need to go through my body lotions and see which ones I need to keep out, because the ones that are nearly empty, I need to keep them out to use them up. The ones that are not nearly empty are the ones I need to keep away, so that when the ones that I'm empty gone, I can use the ones that are not empty and start on them. So yeah, guys, I think I might go into that now, to be fair, because the more I get done now, the quicker I can just close off and just chill the rest of the night. So because I'm hoping this will take me up till about probably 6 o'clock, because obviously I've got the washing to do, which is on. Then I got the washing up to do from the food that I ate the other day. Trying to think what else needs doing. What else needs doing? Can't think what needs doing. See, the thing is, I would have cleaned the whole flat before I went in the bath, but because I'd done some on Friday, or whenever it was, last weekend. I don't know. Yeah, last weekend. Or was it last weekend? No, Friday just gone. Because I'd done some Friday just gone, then I don't really need to do it Sunday. But I think what I'm going to do now, from now on, is I'm going to do a deep cleanse every Sunday on my flat. So that's hoovering, mopping, everything, just like wiping everything down, mopping and hoovering everything. So yeah, so that's already that needs to be done. Like that's what I'm gonna start doing on a Sunday. So from like when I wake up, obviously I'm gonna just chill for a bit, and then I'm gonna get into cleaning the flat, and then I can go in after I've like completely wiped everything down and done everything in the flat. I can then go and have a bath, wash my hair, moisturise my face and all that lot, and then start chilling, because sounds more better, because then I can get it all done Sunday and then sweat like hell, and then I can go in the bath and clean me and then stop sweating. This is why I'm not going to really do too much today, because obviously I went in the bath first, so I don't want to sweat and stink again, because then I have to have another bath. So yeah, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and finish that law. I'm going to get my list book, bring it back in here, write a list of what needs to be cleaned on for next Sunday, so that I can obviously do it all then. So yeah, I'm going to go and get on with that, and I'll see you in a bit, guys. Guys, it's 7 minutes past 6, so I'm now going to go and do me something to eat. So yeah, so I've just been watching Criminal Minds and that lot, and been to the shop. Now I'm going to do me something to eat because I'm hungry, so yeah. I don't know what I want though, but I'll have a look. just recently had a severe stomachache come. I don't know why. Went to the toilet, nothing. So, I don't know. Felt like cramps, man. I hate cramps, man, it hurts. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna go and do something to eat. I don't know what I want. So yeah. See you in a bit, guys. Guys, it is now nearly to 8 o'clock. I've had something to eat and now I'm just gonna chill the rest of the night. I know this hasn't really been much of a Sunday self-care routine, but to be fair, with all the cleaning being done, there wasn't much for me to do. All I gotta do is just do the drying, and that's it. And then my clothes out. So to be fair, this wasn't a much of a self-care Sunday. Not the one that I planned. But to be fair, it's still kind of my self-care Sunday. I did the cleaning in the flat. Then I went in the bath, washed my hair, I did my skincare. Next time I'll probably do like a face mask next week, because obviously I only do my face masks like once a week. What is going on in my area? I don't have a clue. I only do face masks once a week, so because I don't want my skin to break out more, if you get what I mean. Like, I've already got like loads of spots around here, on my nose and that lot. So like, I normally do one of them coal ones, the black ones where you peel it off. I normally do that. I'll probably do that next Sunday. So, because obviously there'll be more to be done next Sunday, because obviously this is just an average day, an average self-care, which next Sunday I'll be doing hair masks, face masks, feet masks. So because my feet in the winter starts getting really cracked and hard skin, so I do a deep exfoliation on that, and then I do a deep face mask and then moisturise. So that will be in with my next self-care Sunday, if you want to see that, guys, because this one wasn't much of a self-care one. Don't get me wrong, I've done all the things that makes me feel, say, better. So yeah, but now all I'm going to do is I'm going to hang my clothes out, because I need hanging out, because they need to be dried. Though I might see what the weather like, because if it's raining or summer or really cold, it ain't going to dry in this weather. So, or I might put them in a carrier bag and take them down my mum's tomorrow to dry them, because at the minute we don't have a dryer. Well, I don't have a dryer, I just have a washer. So, yeah. I think I might do that, or I might just see. We'll see. But yeah, I just need to hang my clothes out and then just finish the drying, which, to be fair, is nearly pretty much done. So yeah, so now all I'm going to do is just chill the rest of the night, watch the rest of Criminal Minds. Might even go into my bedroom in a minute, because obviously I can get cozy then. Because normally I do a hot chocolate, but I've got to I've got to descale the kettle again, because I've started having that metallic taste come back in the tea, in the cups of tea and everything that I do. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. I need to do that. That'll probably be tomorrow's job. To be fair, the drying up will be tomorrow's job, because obviously there's only a bit left to dry, that's all. So that'll be tomorrow's job. What else? And I'm just gonna get my clothes out the washer, hang them up somewhere in here, see if they're dry. But yeah, I think that's it. Because I can always do the drying tomorrow, because obviously I've done quite a lot today. So because I've done my bedroom, I've put some washing in the washer. I've done my bedroom, done the living room. I had a bath and that lot. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get my washing out, hang them up. Make sure that it's only the drying that needs doing in the kitchen, and then that's it. And that's it, I think. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. If I have anything else I need to do, I will just pop back on and say. But yeah, that's it, I think. So see you in a bit, guys. Guys, it is 21:26. I'm gonna end the video here now. Because I really didn't do much, to be fair. I've not even hung out the clothes yet because I'm gonna wait till in the morning because it is absolutely tipping it down at the minute. So yeah, it's absolutely tipping it down. So, and my laptop says there's some more rain coming, even though it's already still raining. But anyway, so yeah, so I've not put the clothes out. I'm gonna put them out tomorrow if it's not raining. I forgot what I was gonna do. I'm gonna dry up tomorrow as well. I think that's it, to be fair, guys. So I am literally gonna settle down now. I'll probably get to bed about 11ish. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in Wednesday's video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.